Good morning, guys.
Morning.
It is an honor to have the opportunity to address as a distinguished audience. I know I've met of some of you, but let me introduce myself. My name is Ulfa as the moderator, and Sivana as the first speaker, Tusi as the second speaker, Syalma as the third speaker, and Safinato as the fourth speaker. In our presentation, we would like to explain sustainable communities, and this presentation will be last for about 10 until 50 minutes. That will be divided into 4 parts. The first is introduction, the second is clean water scarcity and access inequalities, the third is water use in agriculture versus conservation technology, and the last is the water waste technique in industry. So without any further delay, let's start with the first case about water conservation. Will be presented by Sivana. Sivana, time is yours.
Water conservation. Water conservation is an essential basic that involves the preservation of water equals for future use. Oversight of water can lead to wasted effort and higher water bills. Under conservation of water can result in water shortages and droughts. Water saving practices are essential for efficient water usage. Water efficient efficiency and fixture are able to convert water resources efficiently and effectively. Water conservation practice can be implemented to maximize water savings. We will have conserved water with the end of the month, indicating that a specific amount of water will have been saved. We will be conserving water every day, aiming that a continuous effort will be made to save water. If you conserve water, you will save money on your water bill. If it rains, we will conserve water by not watering the lawns. Next.
Okay, thank you for Sivana.
Okay, message 1. Clear water scarcity and access inequalities. Clean water scarcity and access inequalities are major issues that affect millions of people worldwide. Overabundance of clean water can lead to wastage and higher water bills. Under conservation of clean water can result in water shortage and inequalities in clean water access. Clean water accessible practices are essential for efficient and effective clean water conservation. Water accessible practice can help ensure that everyone has access to clean water resources efficiently and effectively. Clean water conservation practice can be implemented to maximize the availability of clean water resources.
Okay, thank you, Sivana. And now let's turn to next point ya. For to see times is your.
one. Clear water, scarcity and access inequalities. We will have access clean water by the end of the month, indicating that a specific amount of clean water will have been obtained. We will be accessing clear water every day, implying that a continuous effort will be made to ensure access to clean water. If you conserve heat and water, you will have access to clean water. If there is a drought, we will conserve clean water by using less water. Overall, it is essential to implement efficient and effective clear water conservation practice to ensure the sustainability of clean water resources for future use and to address the inequalities in clean water access. Okay, message 2. Water usage in agriculture-based conservation technology. Agriculture, with its fast water consumption and significant contribution water pollution, is at the epicenter of global water challenge. However, it can also be a part of the solution. With advancements in technology, we now have a toolkit to enhance water conservation, improve efficiency, and protect water quality in the agriculture sector. For water conservation, various technologies help minimize water use. Drip irrigation system deliver water directly to the root zone of plants, reducing losses from evaporation and runoff. Microsprinkler systems similarly allow for precise water delivery, with lower water usage compared to traditional sprinkler system.
Okay, thank you, Tusi. And the next point about water use in agriculture versus conservation technology, that will be presented by Shelma. Shelma, time is yours.
Image 2, water usage in agriculture vs conservation technology. Soil moisture sensor provide real-time data about the water use of plants, preventing over irrigation. They work by detecting the water content of the soil and can relay this information to farmers or directly to irrigation system, thereby automating irrigation, securing, and saving water. A suite of technology can also enhance water efficiency, ensuring that each unit of water used in agriculture generates the maximum possible value. Precision agriculture technology like GPS and remote sensing allow farmers to to tailor their water and nutrient application to the specific needs of different parts of the work which chemistry water waste technique in industry. Air in natural resources integrate air management like uh, con- central environmental risks and ensuring optimal efficiency. Air is an important component in various industrial sectors, including manufacturing, agriculture, energy, and many more. Many production process require air as a raw material or as a component in chemical.
Ma, next let me call out our last speaker for today that will be sharing about water-wise technique in industry. Savinato, term is yours.
Okay, message 3, water with techniques is industries. 1. Identify water use. Wastewater refers to liquids that are disposed of or released into the environment after being used in various human activities. This liquid contains ingredients that can be dangerous, toxic, or disrupt environmental balance. The first step in ingredients water management is identifying all points of water used in industrial process. These includes that the use of water as a raw material cooling. 2. Reduces water waste. Reducing water waste helps maintaining the quality and quantity of water resources. Clean and sufficient water plays a key role in maintaining aquatic ecosystem and biodiversity. Third, the application of appropriate data analysis identify and reduces area experiencing water waste. These might involve equipment environment track to production process or the implementation of more efficient technology.
Okay, thank you so much, Savinato. So everyone, we have reached to our last part in our presentation. At this stage, I would like to offer through the main points we made about water conservation. On conclusion, water is essential to our daily life. Whenever water is used, there is a potential for conservation both inside and outside of your home or business. Fresh water is a limited resource, making water conservation an important factor for the environment. With population growth, expansion of industry, increasing level of development activity, and the potential for climate change impact, there increasing pressure placed on the province's water resource. Whether you are on a municipal or a private domestic water supply, water conservation is a wise practice. So that's bring us to the end of our presentation. Thank you so much everyone for your attention and participation. See you next time and bye.
3. Wastewater treatment. Wastewater comes from various sources in industry, including from production process, combined washing, and chemical water disposal. For management can threaten air resources and aquatic ecosystem. Ingredient air management also involves healthy What's the water? Wastewater treatment system must be effective in removing contaminants before the air is discharged into the environment. Water contains various pollution that can damage the environment and human health if not managed properly. Effective wastewater management can reduce this negative impact and support sustainability. Here's how to manage wastewater.